Hi my loves, in today's video we will going to have general reading and message from spirits. So let's see the energy first. Ayan. So meron tayo ditong apophyllite, barite, and sodalite, which is eto, meron tayong sodalite dito. I hear na marami dito, most of our collectives are need or are called to have a rest. Take some rest. Kasi marami sa inyo, parang kumbaga, escaping, wants to pull themselves together. And I also hear na meron ding iba sa inyo ay nakaka-encounter ng delays right now. May mga iniintay pero hindi dumarating right now. So marami dito sa energy na to may kinalaman sa mga pause, or sabihin nating rest nga. It's either pause pagdating sa inyong hectic na trabaho or rest dahil bombarded sa trabaho, or pwede ding patience dahil merong konting delay when it comes to your fruition or manifestations. Pero dito, I hear that you are looking for a ray of light. So, kumbaga dito parang pag-asa. Kasi may halo dito yung heart din. You also hear in this apophyllite na hope, kailangan ng hope, ng pray. Kasi itong apophyllite na to, ginagamit to sa mga meditation, sa prayer. Mapapansin nyo, the yellow and the green combined with these crystals. Also, meron tayong barite dito na good to use. So good to use when it is good to use when they want to have or want to find their true destiny. So ito'y kadalasan, yung barite ay sabihin natin ginagamit din to sa meditation, lalo na pag yung true destiny nila yung gusto nila hanapin. Like for example, ikaw yung mga 9 to 5 or 8 to 5 job na parang paulit-ulit, mechanical lang palagi ang ginagawa, at yung prayer mo is about sa kung ano na ba talaga yung true destiny mo and purpose. And of course, the sodalite. So dito, ginagamit din to, my loves, for meditation and also to use or to surrender all of the overthinking, all of the, sabihin natin, mental clogging into your intuition. So overall, my loves, the focus of this energy is to remind you kung paano ka makikipag-connect. Kasi parang dito, my loves, is you are looking for, kagaya ng sinabi ko, you are looking for a ray of light. Ayan, a ray of light. Kung makikita ninyo, you are looking for a ray of light. And of course, nandun na rin yung sabihin natin kahit ano pa, whatever you practice, religion, meditation, channel, prayer. Kumbaga, ang kailangan mo dito is yung papalakas ng iyong belief system, ng iyong faith. Alam mo yon, sa true destiny na nakatadhana sa'yo. Naniniwala ka, my loves, na hindi ka lang para dyan. With these two stones, naniniwala ka na hindi ka para dyan. And your intuitions are always telling you that na hindi talaga ikaw para dyan. Sa 9 to 5 job na yan, sa mundane task na yan, hindi ka para dyan. So malakas na malakas ang intuition mo, ang alam mo sa sarili mo deep inside na meron ka pang calling, meron ka pang true purpose. And so dito, my loves, andito ka sa part na kung saan hindi ka talaga nakokontento right now sa yung mechanical task, sa yung paulit-ulit na ginagawa. So, I also hear na nandito tayo sa season na kung saan maglalapat na ulit ng panibagong plano, ng panibagong foundation, and ng mga panibagong procedures na pwede natin i-apply to organize our life. I also hear na most of you ay sabihin natin gustong merong pasukin na passion. Pag sinabing passion, labas yan dun sa kanilang, yung iba labas sa career or 8 to 5 job nila, yung iba naman yun mismo yung kanilang 8 to 5 job. But I also hear na with this sodalite stone, meron kang gustong pasukin, meron kang gusto pang gawin, okay? Yung alam mo yung work blocks dito, parang kung halimbawa meron kang isang organizer or planner na gustong i-plot lahat ng schedule, my loves. Okay, let's see more confirmation about this. Let's see more confirmation about this. So, most of my collectives are, yan, iniisip din nila ang kanilang sabihin nating finances, my loves. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ayan, dalawang king dito, my loves. If ever, ito yung upcoming, spirits are telling you, wants to tell you something. Ayan, my loves, most of the cards and confirmation cards natin ay talagang napaka-career oriented. So the King of Pentacles are, sabihin natin, using their practicality, and dito naman sa King of Swords, their mind, their strategic, sabihin natin serious tactics, and also dito sa Three of Wands natin na more on planning din, my loves, and expansion. So my loves, if ever na ikaw yung tipong hindi mo alam kung diyan ka lang ba talaga sa 9 to 5 job mo na yan, kumbaga kung nagtatanong ka kung meron pa, yes, my loves, meron. And this is the perfect time, kaya mo to naririnig, is para i-push mo na talaga yung mga ideas mo. So I don't advise na i-give up mo yung 9 to 5 job, pero dito is magkakaroon ka na ng mental clarity, my loves. Meron ka na intellectual power, and also with this sodalite, alam mo kung saan ka tinatawag ng yung soul. Alam mo kung meron dito malaking hope, my loves. So dito, I also hear na you are waiting for some decisions. Kung meron ka man pinag-iintayan na pagdidesisyonan, kung meron ka man iniintay na time, kung kailangan mo nang gawin, yes, this is the right time. This is the confirmation na kailangan mo nang gawin, my loves. Pero dito, napakalaki ng factor na may kinalaman din talaga itong messages na to for your finances. So, kung meron kang mga pinaplano na gusto mong i-push, lalo na tapos tayo sa retrograde season, is i-push mo na, my loves. And if you are hearing this during the Virgo season, yes, this is the right time also for you. And, you know, with the King of Pentacles confirmation, kumbaga, another milestone with the Three of Wands, another progress are waiting for you, my loves. Make it sure, dito kasi sa ating Barite and dito sa ating King of Swords, kailangan itap mo talaga yung, sabihin natin, yung focus mo talaga is, sabi nga, wherever you practice any religion, i-focus mo talaga sa vision mo and sa prayer. Okay? So dito, wag mo hayaan na mapuno ng iba't iba pa yung mind mo. Kailangan, my loves, kung meron kang gustong targetin right now, iyon yung i-manifest mo, yun lang ang laman ng isipan mo. And listen to your intuition. Alam mo kung saang direction kayo. But kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, gumamit ka ng organization or organizer para ma-plot mo yung mga schedules mo. Kasi dito naman is hindi, I don't see na meron kang kailangang piliin eh. You have to compromise something. You have to compromise, and also kailangan magkaroon ka ng strict na balance when it comes to your scheduling. Discipline, my loves, kailangan mo din yan i-apply, and also the high standards. So I hear na most of you ay magkakaroon ng another, sabihin nating, another chance for growth, expansion of finances. So, pwedeng may loves, meron ka ipupush na mga business ideas or yung mga passion and hobbies na gusto mong pasukin during this season. Let's see more confirmation. Oh, my loves. So, nahihirapan ka, my loves, kasi may mga opposition or sabihin natin maaring sa finances mo, meron kasing blockages dito lumitaw, the opposition, the drama. So may tendency, my loves, na kung i-share mo to ng maaga sa ibang tao or sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, is magkaroon ng conflict. Ayan o, the club. So kumbaga, pinanghihinaan ka ng loob dahil sa mga external factor. Kasi ito yung stone natin for hope yan, the ray of light. Pero my loves, this is one reminder na kaya yung ray of life na to, ray of light, hindi yung mga external na to ang merong control dyan, kung hindi yung ray of light ng iyong hope. Kasi talaga may lilitaw na conflict, my loves. Meron talagang hindi papabor. And also, magkokos talaga sa'yo yun ng lots of sadness. Okay? Lots of sadness. So, maaari, my loves, I also hear most of you ay nakakaramdam ng lots of sadness. Or meron sa inyo na nawala ng pag-asa. Nasa inyo na yung ideas na to, pero biglang nawala because of the mourning, the grieving, parang kumbaga naputol na ulit. Pero my loves, oh, look kung gaano ka ulit tumayo dito. Kasi tingnan nyo yung energy, meron ditong drama, meron ditong sadness, but look at the choices and decision. Look at the opportunity. So this one is reminding you na galing ka na dito, galing ka na dyan sa drama, sa sadness, and this is the time na kailangan mo na piliin yung sarili mo. Kailangan mo na pakinggan ulit yung intuition mo. Kailangan mo na ulit bumangon, my loves. Kasi it's your choice. Eto na. And always remind yourself, opportunity knock once, my loves. So nakapag, binigyan mo na yung sarili mo na pakinggan yung emotion mo, nakapag-mourn ka na, nakapag-grieve ka na, my love, it's time for you to take action. It's time for you to make new horizons again and expansion. Napakaganda, very positive when it comes to this future energy, my loves. Very, very positive. So, make it sure, my loves, pakinggan mo. Kasi dito, you are waiting the results. Decision, meron ka talaga iniintay, maaaring opportunity or decision. Pero, if ever, my loves, na wala pa ito ngayon, make it sure na itong conflict na to, kaya mo itong i-handle. Kasi dito, lots of grieving and sadness when it comes to their head. When it comes to their mental area, or pwede din, my loves, na merong kang malalaman because ayan, biglang pumasok dito yung truth and sadness, my loves. Pero kagaya ng paalala dito ng crystal na bright, always trust your spirit guides. Always trust God. Or sabihin natin, eto wala kasi ibang dito meron kang dito, conflict. Dito naman meron ka ding drama dito. When it comes to your mental ideas, when it comes to your finances, palaging may blockages, my loves. Pero it's your choice kung papapasukin or papayagan mo yung mga yan. Okay, so let's see advice from spirits. Kasi kahit saan kahit sa mental, kahit sa sabihin natin sa surroundings mo, meron talagang blockages na lumilitaw. Focus intention, my loves. Another confirmation, focus intention. Keep unwavering thoughts, feelings, and actions. Focus on your target, my loves. Kaya dito lumitaw yung decision Kasi it is time for you to set foundation again. Nasa pagdedesisyon mo yon kung gusto mo na talagang lingunin pa itong mga sadness and pain. Pero my love, so expect miracle. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, ito yung stone na kung saan ginagamit pang prayer. Every time na sila ay magpe-pray, magmamanifest, magme-meditate para makakonect sa higher source. Pero lumitaw din dito si Mother Mary, my loves. Have faith that your prayers have been heard and are being answered. My loves, kahit ano man yung pinagdadaanan or bigat ng yung bigat, my loves, dito, Mother Mary always reminding you to have faith, focus intention, and my loves, I also hear na most of you are very gifted, my loves. So you are a sorcerers or you are magical person who can manifest your clear intention into reality, my loves. So ito, kumbaga ginigising ka mula dito sa drama na to, mula dito sa mourning and grieving na to, ginigising ka. So, kumbaga, they are reminding you na meron, yung mga minamanifest mo na yan, mag-focus ka, my loves. Focus your intentions. Nasaan ka ba before dumating sa iyo tong sadness na to? Before ka hagupitin na mga sadness na to. Ano ba yung intention mo before? So, it's time for you to expand, my loves. It's time for you na ano na yun, isagawa na yun. It's time for you na mag-take action again. Organize work blocks, my loves. And let's see our final card. Oh, ayan. Meron tayo ditong charismatics, my loves. I hear na may kinalaman din yung mga gusto mo sa, sabihin natin, pwedeng exposure or pwedeng yung mga ideas mo is magiging exposed din. Expression comes naturally to you. Pwede, my loves, na ma-expose siya, makikilala siya, makakarating siya sa iba. And also, andito yung communication. So, most of you, malaki ang potential na may kinalaman din sa networking or sabihin natin, pakikipag-connect sa iba. And my loves, confirmation. Kung ito yung mga drama or sabihin natin, nagmamanifest ka before, nag-aalala ka about your finances, my loves, you are the cusp of prosperous and abundant spiritual life. Remember that. At ito, confirmation talaga with the King of Pentacles. Ano man yung setbacks na napagdaanan mo before, my loves, kahit na may mga opposition kang na may mga kumontra, may hindi nag-agree, may mga nag-reject sa'yo, my loves, always remember that you will find numerous opportunities for success and achievement. You are gifted, my loves. All which bring financial, material abundance into your life is your focus and intention. Remember that, my loves. And don't forget to communicate and express your thoughts. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.